Good morning, this is Fernandoherrera and this is my daily portfolio update. Pretty much this is a series where I deposit $1,000 every month and I pretty much share my buys and sells with you guys. Now today the markets are down and it's not a surprise because we've been having some really good days this whole week. Now if you do enjoy my videos, please remember to subscribe and like my videos. It really helps me and helps the channel tremendously. Now with that being said, let's go ahead and start with the activity for today. I actually did not have a lot of activity. I did get a dividend from Simon Property, and that's only 78 cents. Not that big of a dividend. However, I do have some activity intended, and I'm going to do that actually right now. So I will be exiting two positions, two holdings that I have right now. One of those is going to be a company called Fastly. If you guys remember Fastly, I bought it around 2 months ago. We kind of lost some money. We had some money. Then right now we have a good return, which is a 20% return. And I'm just thinking, Fastly is just a company that I'm not following up very closely, and I'm happy with this return. So I'm just going to kind of exit that position out so I can have that cash and maybe allocate it into one of my other stocks. Another company that I will be exiting out, this is Shift Technology. If you guys remember, I sold Broom and transferred those funds into Shift. Today I'm going to exit Shift at a loss. It's only going to be a 12% loss. Unfortunately, I'm just not seeing any potential with this company, and I'm actually going to be allocating those funds into another company that I have seen much more growth and much more potential, and that's Carvana. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Carvana, they're spending heavy money on marketing. I live in Las Vegas, and they actually did put a vending machine for cars, like so you could go and buy your own car. So I think this company is probably the one to go with, and that's the one I'm going to be supporting from now on. So with that being said, really everything else in terms of what I'm going to be buying and selling, right now it's a bit difficult, especially because again we're seeing that the market's going to be having a bit of a pullback. It's unfortunate because it's always on Friday, so if you guys are just noticing the trend, last week it was also a very good week. Then Friday we actually had a hard day. So if anything, if the trend continues to happen like this, we should expect Monday through Thursday to be a little bit more positive, and then Friday to pull back. So maybe Thursday afternoon would be a good time to lock in some gains. Now, our overall portfolio, we have very few red losing stocks. So I mean, we are in a very good position. If you guys followed up yesterday, Ford, I mean, we just initiated this position maybe like 3 weeks ago, and we already have above a 20% return. Yesterday, Ford did hit its $12 mark. Right now, it's 11.41, and there's still some fuel to go, guys. So again, if you guys haven't invested in Ford, definitely Ford's going to be one of our biggest gainers, and I do have long-term faith in Ford. So as well as in Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo, again, not doing really good right now, but long-term, this is going to be, in my eyes, the winner bank. If you want to know more about Ford or Wells Fargo, I did post more videos on that, so feel free to watch those. Now, today's interesting news, I did get this news article which I thought was interesting and related to me. So apparently investors are actually exiting a little bit of Tesla and NIO or EV markets, and they're actually transferring it more towards chip makers, since chip makers seem to be more of a safer investment at the moment, not so volatile. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do thank you for watching the whole video. This week, actually, my computer's being fixed, so I did this video on my iPad, so the audio or the visual is just slightly different. I do apologize for that, but again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys again on Monday. Have a safe weekend. Peace.